He's such a jerk. Ah! Ow! 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 Ow!
What did I say the house rules were? You don't shit in the deep pile. No, get off it. You poo on your puppy pads. Do you know how disrespectful that is? I'm never going to get that out.
Морти, это же бак... О, зачем ты... Да как же...
Hi everybody, Bane here. I want to tell you about my day, 'cause it did not go as it normally does, and I am a little confused. Woke up this morning, went out and had a pee, came in expecting breakfast. Nobody gave me breakfast. I don't understand. That's what we do, we pee and then we eat. So I tried sitting like a good boy again. Still nobody fed me. Suddenly Dad puts a leash on me. Are we going out for breakfast? I can get behind that. Let's go for breakfast. Newsflash. I didn't go out for breakfast. I went for a very long car ride, went to a strange place, went to sleep, woke up, and my dangly bits are gone. Like, what the hell, Mom? Where are my nuts? So in retaliation, I made Mom sit in the back seat for the whole hour-long drive home. I sat my 80-pound ass on her lap, whined, cried, and shook the whole way home. This'll teach ya. I tried to figure out where my nuts are. Dad made some joke that they were in Mom's purse next to his. I don't know what that means. I don't like this anesthetic, though. I refuse to sleep it off. Mom says sleep it off, I'll feel better. I don't want to feel better. I want my...
Tell me your cats are spoiled. Without telling me your cats are spoiled, I'll start.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Pop, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Who done this?
Scooby. No.
Did you eat my burger? Lambo. Did you eat my burger?
Okay, he's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
What Mom tells me people don't like when I jump on them, shove my tongue in their mouth, and give them a concussion with my brick head when they come into the house. News to me.
You can totally communicate with your cat. Here's how. Did you know that your cat meows specifically for you? A cat's first language is actually a combo of scent, body language, facial expressions, and touch. When your cat lifts their nose and tilts their head back slightly, that's their way of saying, I acknowledge you. You know those rare times when your cat greets you with multiple meows in a row? You better consider yourself lucky because that's their excited greeting. Oftentimes, the longer you've been gone, the more meows you're gonna get. So you better match that energy right back. If you ever catch your cat doing the slow blink, that's their way of communicating that they feel safe and happy. It's basically their way of saying that they love you. So if the feeling is mutual, do it right back. Just make sure you actually are blinking and not staring because that communicates aggression and your cat will probably get pissed at you. If you repeat certain words to your cat, like saying sleep every time you go to sleep, your cat will eventually learn what that means. They may even start to walk towards the bedroom just by hearing you say the word sleep. In general, keep your voice down. Cats have super sensitive hearing, so an overly enthusiastic greeting may make your cat be like, "I'm out of here." If your cat ever meows at you while walking in a certain direction, follow them. They're usually trying to communicate that they want something.
Voy a hacerme la muerta, ¿vale? Aunque me desmayo en la piscina. Vamos a ver la reacción de Seth. Ay, mi amor, ya estás bien. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Ya. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, mi amor. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, cariño, estoy bien.
Boo! Bitch, get out that goddamn toilet right motherfucking now before I whoop your ass. Get go on, get home.
Get the fuck out my goddamn toilet before I whoop your fucking ass. Hazel, I'm not fucking playing with you, bitch.
Come here.
What the fuck is going on? Dude, our dog.
What?
Okay. Ah! Apollo, my baby!
Gigi! Stop!
You like the. Oh!
I went to pick up my dog from daycare. Then this happened.
I had to bring my dog to my meeting today. He started the meeting by holding everyone's hands. He then went around the table and smiled at everyone from under the desk. Holding his paw at all times was mandatory. He stared at each person speaking to show he was listening. He was a 10-10 good boy.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning.
Something tells me that this cat is going to be very accepting of my peace offering.
Want some? Yeah. There you go.
This is Allie, and she might possibly be the fattest cat in the world.
Okay, I'm dumping you out. Oh, God. Jesus, Murphy. No. Well, at least she's doing some crunches.
This is Allie's first grooming, and boy does she need it.
Ma'am, you need a diet. I don't think you're gonna fit in this thing. Okay, kitty. Nope. Nope. I can't even scoop the water. There's no room.
At this point, I'm really going to need to invest in a larger kitty bath.
You're a stinky feline. Oh, is there a bunch of poop? Ew, look at its butt. I'm sorry, kitty, but you have to stay because this is some nasty stuff here.
Being so obese, Allie cannot clean herself properly, especially in her back end, so she needed some assistance.
Kitsy, you really needed this. You were quite nasty. You look like a sumo wrestler.
Most pets look smaller when wet, but Allie, on the other hand, looks like a flubbery seal pup.
You need a diet.
I shaved off her stage 5 clingers, and then I blow-dried her. While most cats tend to run away from the dryer, I don't believe that Allie knows what running is. In order to appreciate Allie's circumference, you must view her from the angle on my lap. It was at this moment that I realized her true calico orb of a fupa.
Not having it?
No, it's not having
Okay, put it up.
Look at that.
So much hair.
I de-shed her with the Equigroomer de-shedding brush, and I'm going to assume that due to Allie's lack of self-grooming, she was shedding several years' worth of fur today. I sprayed her down in bubblegum cologne, which is safe for cats, and then I ended our session with another peace offering. I know Allie is feeling like a whole new woman. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the abundant Allie.
Goodbye. Hey!
It is tanto my...
Oh my god, that was a big one. You alright?
Wait, listen.